Hi there, my name is Ajomo Ismail from Digital Productivity Tools and Skills. In this video, we'll learn how to share files on Google Drive. You may want to share files on your Google Drive with clients, friends, or even family members. In this video, I will show you a couple of ways to share your files on Google Drive. So stay tuned to the end of this video. To share your files on Google Drive, make sure you are on the home page of Google Drive. On the home page of Google Drive, you have all the list of all the files you have on your Google Drive. Select the file you want to share with your friends or whoever you want to share with. I select this file, and at the top of this screen, we have this bar that has popped up with all these options. Click on the share icon and wait for a window to pop up. Now this screen has popped up. One way you can share files with people on Google Drive is by adding people or groups. Now we want to share by adding people. We start typing their emails or their names, and by default the names appears. So I select this one, I type another one, I select this one. I want to share my file with only 2 people. You are free to share your files with as many people as you can. When you finish selecting the people you want to share your files with, next you select the role of the people you want to share your files with. Click on this drop down and you have 3 options. We have viewer, commenter, and editor. When you select viewer, the people you are sharing your files with will be able to view. They can't make any comments or they can't make any edits. Now when you select commenter, they'll be able to comment and view, but they won't be able to edit. When you select editor, they'll be able to edit, comment, and view. In this case, I want to select viewer. Next is we have this notification box that has been taken off. Yours might not be ticked off, so you ticked it off. Then here you have the opportunity to add the notification message or a notification message to the people you are sharing your files with. When you are done and everything looks okay and fine and it's beautiful to go, you select send to share. Now one way you can also share files with people on your Google Drive is by sharing the link to the file with those people. To do that, you come to this general access section and you see this restricted. Only people with access can open with the link. So you change it to as anyone with the link. You change this one now and wait for it to update the information. It has finished updating. Now you have the opportunity to again select the role. You click on it, so we still have viewer, commenter, and editor. I want to keep it as viewer. Then when you are done, you click copy link. Now you have copied the link to the file you want to share. When you are done, select the done, and now you have the link copied to the clipboard. Now you can go to your email and then type their email and then paste the link and send it to them, or you can paste the link in any platform that they have access to so they can open and look at the file. Now one way you can also share file is by clicking on this 3 dots, then you select share. On the share you have another menu. We have share and copy link. You click on share or you copy the link. When you click on share, then you are sharing again, or when you click on copy link, you copy the link. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.